Back again with another one, Hustle Do Not Stop. You know what I'm saying? We got a part 2014, 16, 17, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's a dark Durango. Sitting there doing a little throttle body. So that's the old one right there. It's kind of funky. Sitting there throwing codes and everything in the car, you know what I'm saying, with my guy.
Oh yeah.
I say we out here.
Don't panic, let Dan scan it.
You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, we out here getting it in. You know what I'm saying? Hit a skeet out of here.